Welcome back to my channel. I'm Tia. I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig related content here. We are multicultural, we are inclusive, so if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, you want my little doll, baby hot doll, baby hot doll, baby hot doll, baby. Thank you for coming back. Today is a collab because you know we're doing collabs in 2021. We are wanting to bring on the positivity, support each other. So today's a fun little collab. I am collabing with Fabricating Fringe, and I came across Fabricating Fringe because we both do reviews for the Wig Company. And so we thought it would be super fun to come on here and do some like Valentine's Day looks and styling with wigs from the Wig Company Statements line. So she's going to be doing her own little styling with her wig. So these are wigs that, I've already reviewed this. There's already videos up on my channel. I thought it would be really fun to do like some fun little styling videos. You've been asking more. She does some great styling videos. So you should definitely go check out her channel and go check out her Instagram. She doesn't just wear wigs, like she really does some styling things. She does really cute things. I think you will enjoy her. So go check her out. Tell her I said hey. Thank you so much for collaborating with me. And let's just, get started. So the wig that I'm going to be playing with some styles on is Rock Me. And this is an average cap. I have her in the color OM4/33A. She's sort of this, nice, beautiful brown color. And then there's sort of these red underneath colors. I just think it would be great for a Valentine's Day look. Before I get started in the playing around with the Valentine's Day I did do a Valentine's Day accessories haul, and so the accessories from that haul is what I'm going to be using. So go check that out. And so on my face today, I did my brows. I did them a little bit differently. Usually I do pretty harsh brows because I don't have a lot of natural brows, but I wanted to try and do like that sparsy type thing. So I used this Maybelline Brow Define and Fill Duo, but I just used the define part. Just did like a lot of strokes like this. Stop it, Kit Kat. Then I set the brows with this Benefit 3D Brow Tones in the color number 4. So that's how I set them. On my cheeks today, I use the Too Faced Fruit Cocktail Blush Duo in Pomegranate. Okay, and it looks like this. And I just swirled it all together. I used this highlighter, which is my absolute favorite highlighter in the world. I'm actually putting it away so I can pull some other highlighters out. But this is the Makeup Revolution Triple Baked Highlighter in Goddess of Faith. I absolutely love this highlighter. Oh my gosh. So I have this on this part right here of my cheeks and also on the inner corners. So, you know what? Actually, I need to leave this out. I can't do it. I can't. And then on my lips, I'm using the Fenty Gloss Bomb in Baby Brut. I'm not even sure because like it's so little. It was part of their holiday collection. It came with like 4. So this was just one of them. It smells so good. Oh my gosh. And it's just a really like pale, clear little shimmery thing. It's got a little bit of sparkle, but not much. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. It's very like kissable. It tastes amazing. So if you kiss your man and you have a little bit of this on, it smells like cotton candy. It's like a cotton candy vanilla situation. So that's what I have on my lips. And then for my eyes, I am using the Juvia's Place, the Sweet Pinks. So they came out with a lot of these like sort of monochromatic palettes. This is a 6-pan palette. They're $10 or less. You can get them for on different deals. So on my eyes right now, all over my lid, I used this shade right here. They do not have shade names. Then on the outer corner, I used this shade here, and I sort of packed it, and you can see right there, to build it up. See the contrast? So I used a packing motion to build that up. All over the lid, I have this shade right here. I just put that on the lid, and then I have this shade on the lower lash line with a little bit of this towards the inner corner just to blend, and then my highlighter. So love these. so that's what I have. So let me go around and I'm just gonna play around with some styles, and then we will come back with whichever style I decide is the final style, and we will talk about it. I am using some synthetic hair accessories that I got from Wig Outlet, and I did a haul on those, so go ahead and check that video out. But let's just get to this, okay? Okay, so just to go over some stuff, just so you know, this was in my Valentine's Day accessories haul, as was the hair tie and the headband. I use this hairdo wrap and style scrunchie in the color R10. I also use this hair clip that I bought like a long time ago, so I can't even tell you what it is. It's like a claw clip with the curls. I actually need to wash this, but it does have sort of that same color where it's a little bit red, and you can see it like totally goes, and then you can turn it into like a curly situation. And then I also used this hairdo pop thick braided headband in the color R63H, and I loved that look. That was one of my favorite looks. Yeah, I think that's all that I use. So let me know what you thought of this video. If you want more styling videos like this, I can totally do them. Oh, before I'm done, these nails are so cute, and they're the Kiss the glue on ones, but I got these at Dollar Tree. So not Dollar Tree, Dollar General. So yeah, check those out. If you like these type of videos, please let me know and I'll do them more often. If you haven't visited Fabricating Fringe, please go and visit her. And yeah, if you haven't visited the Wig Company, also go visit them. The link for this wig would be down below. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.